Lonely nights scrolling through endless online profiles? Dinner dates that fizzle faster than a dying candle? Let's face it, building and maintaining fulfilling relationships can feel like scaling Mount Everest in flip-flops. But what if it didn't have to be? Imagine vibrant connections, laughter-filled gatherings, and a support system that lifts you up instead of dragging you down. This isn't some utopian dreamland, it's the reality awaiting you on the other side of this 2-minute journey. So, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're about to build bridges, not walls, in your social world. Forget exhausting social climbing and forced small talk. We're ditching the superficial and diving into the heart of authentic connection. First, embrace vulnerability. People connect with genuine souls, not perfectly polished personas. Share your quirks, your passions, your not-so-perfect moments. Be the open book people want to read, not the closed vault they leave guessing. Second, invest in the present. Put down your phone, stop planning your next witty Instagram caption, and be present in the moment. Listen with your entire being, ask thoughtful questions, and let your eyes truly see the person in front of you. Connection happens in the space between screens, not through filtered selfies. Third, nourish the garden, not just the flowers. Don't just chase the butterflies of new acquaintances, tend to the existing garden of your relationships. Show your loved ones you appreciate them, not just through grand gestures, but through the daily rituals of care, a thoughtful text, a helping hand, a listening ear. Relationships are living things, they need constant nourishment to thrive. Finally, remember, it's a two-way street. Don't just expect, give. Offer support, celebrate others' victories, and be the friend you'd want to have. Remember, genuine relationships are built on reciprocity, not one-sided expectations. These are your secret weapons to building and maintaining relationships that last. Implement them, nurture them, and watch your social world blossom with vibrant connections. You'll be surrounded by laughter, support, and the comforting warmth of belonging. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you've made it this far, give this video a thumbs up and check out some of these other cool videos on the channel where we explore more secrets to a fulfilling and joyful life. Together, let's build bridges, not walls, and create a world richer in real, authentic connections.